I was saying the blade is out of balance on the screwdriver. I have it on here. Let's go down. And that is way out. Look at that. Let's go down. So that's way out. Take the spark plug out. The engine is running good. So, I was saying, it was hard to get the blade bolt out, wasn't I? So, how can you tell if you've got a bent crank? Put the blade bolt in, turn it, let's get this phone still. I don't know if you can see this or not. Yes, you can see it, yeah. You can see it wavering. If I try to hold this phone still when I'm doing it, you see it now, can't you? So it's out. That's why we get no vibration. So let me just take the engine off. Straighten my breath. Straighten the crank. How do you straighten the crank up is where it was going like this there, you put it boot on its eyes, okay, then you put a bar on it like this, the right size bar. It's a bit loose, this one, but I'm just showing you for a sample. So you put that on, that's loose, so it should be nice and snug, not slug. So you take the key out here, then it should fit on nicely, nice and tight, like this, if you can get it on. So then what you do is heat it up with a blowtorch. Yes, you need a brand new oil seal in here. Then that's one option. Then just keep them banging it and you put a straight ruler on it, metal, to make sure it's straight. It's going to take time. That's one. A sample. You remember the deck is plastic. So what's going to happen? If you know, please leave a comment down below. What would happen to this mower deck if I put some heat on it? It's for you to answer. Right, the second thing you can do is take the engine off, because I already said before, because this is plastic. So you take the engine off. If it was metal, yeah, would have been alright. But you're going to damage the oil seal, so you need a brand new oil crank seal in here. Right, so the second thing you can do is so this engine is actually a SMV. So take the engine off, then if you can, somehow to bolt the engine down, a vise or a bigger vise, whatever you got to support your engine, heat it up, what I just showed you with blowtorch, So this is the crank. This is the crank from a SR. Can't remember the what is it? Different SMV. So let's say the engine is here. So remember we've got oil seal. I can't. Got petrol in here, so make it red hot as well as you can get. Then you have to put a bar on there. Then you can straighten it up. Then, but you need a let's say this is a straight ruler. Then you just keep on measuring it if you've got any high or low spots. That's second. The third option you can do is take the engine off, take the flywheel off, disconnect all this, the con rod, take the crank out, take the old one out, as I already showed you. So, or you can put a brand new crank in which is not bent at all. So this one is not bent. So this is the piston what comes out of these engines. So you got your oil ring and 2 piston rings. So when you strip your engine down, so you got a bent crank, take the bent crank out, then put a second-hand crank in which is good, like this one. Then you can build it up. There's no vibration when you build it. Then it's fine. So I know this is spot on. Then that would stop the vibration in the crank. Sharpen it up on the grinding stone here, like this, or a grinding machine, the proper one, to do this. Get this balance up. Right, now we've got the blade boat. Then we've got the blade boat. It's still stiff, so this would need, now this is bent, so it needs a new blade boot as well. The clue is usually when they hit something, these come off. So this has been hit by a stump, metal post, or whatever. So I will have to take this engine off. I'll strip it down and I'll put this crank in. Still keep the original piston in there, but just put this bit in. Anyway, any questions you would like to know, please leave a comment down below and I will try to answer your question. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.